Bakit madaling itrack ang kinakain natin? Pero bakit sobrang hirap tandaan if uminom na tayo ng gamot? As a dietitian, binabantayan ko ang bawat meal ng mga patients ko to make sure they follow their calculated diet. The truth is, diet is only half the battle. Whether simpleng sakit or chronic condition, maraming instance na pabalik-balik ang lagnat or tumataas ang blood sugar simply because nakalimutang uminom ng meds on time. O kaya naman nakalimutan ang scheduled laboratory test. Kaya kung paano ko i-track ang food ng patient ko, need mo ng reliable system para matrack mo ng maayos ang medical routine mo. Kaya I highly recommend na gumamit tayo ng Meds Tracker app para sure na walang mamimiss na schedule. At hindi lang to for maintenance meds. May hypertension, may diabetes, or simpleng lagnat lang na kailangan uminom every 4 hours. Kasama ang labs at doctor's appointment. What I really appreciate about this system is the family tracker feature. Pwede kang mag-add up to 7 family members. So kung may maintenance si lola at lola, or kung may lagnat or inuubo ang mga kids, you can track their schedule remotely. Less worry para sa ating mga nag-aalaga. Consistency saves lives. Whether diet plan or inom ng gamot, let's keep our family's health on schedule. You can check out this Meds Tracker app on App Store and Play Store to help you out. Stay healthy.